am planting something playful, yet purposeful. Something fun, yet deeply cultural. It is necessary because I am preserving a language that is at risk of falling out of everyday use. It is necessary because I am globalizing Igbo. This project will speak to a generation of Igbo kids, born and raised within and outside Nigeria. Children who might not hear Igbo at home but could fall in love with it on a social media platform. I am not just chasing a trend. I am responding to a cultural and educational need. This is more than a project.